Everybody, so it's been over a week with this little dude right here, and he's doing pretty good. I kind of started training him to do some stuff, and target training. He can step up, and he can perch, and he can come here when I tell him, like on the table, just small stuff. And let he just started yesterday. Let me give him scratches, but he's got to be in the mood. But anyway, I got some content from this past week coming up next, and hope you guys enjoy. All right, thanks. So here's millet time. I just kind of put a little alligator clip, and it won't go through there, so he enjoys himself. One of his cage set Solomon for a little bit over a week, and relationship's going pretty good. There's some beak grinding. Pretty happy bird. Good bird so far. Trying to get him to not be on my shoulder so much, but I think he just likes hanging out. But so I've been doing this cage different. I've been taking stuff out at night just in case any kind of night frights. So let's see if I can get some here. One of his cage set up. And I take this perch out at night, and he sleeps on that one. I take the toys out and all that. I leave his food down on the ground. Just cause, I don't know, it's kind of weird about going over here, but I think they need to get some different bowls, some clear bowls, but anyway, yep. Put him in water, see how he reacts taking a bath. Looks like he's enjoying it. We have him about a week tomorrow. He's doing quite well. Looks like he's enjoying the water. Happy bird. On one foot, preening, hanging out. Every night when it's bedtime, he looks like he's about to take flight. Try to. A little happy bird though. Give me some wings. Give me some wings. There we go. Good bird. Been trying to get him into a routine, hanging out outside. I'm getting him used to being outside. Little wings are clipped, but he stays by me for the most part on my shoulder. He kind of chirps when he hears the birds chirping a little bit, but that's pretty good.